Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. again. Alright, we're going to do a glazed salmon with some couscous cakes. So the first thing that we've done in advance is we've cooked our couscous, we're letting it cool, we fluffed it, it's a little salt, little pepper, you can use a little butter if you want, but we're allowing it to cool. Now we've got a nice beautiful piece of salmon here, and in our glaze we have some orange marmalade, we have some Dijon mustard, some white wine vinegar, some chopped green onion and garlic, and we have a little bit of cayenne pepper, salt, and regular pepper as well. So mix this up nice. We're going to use this on our salmon, which we are going to put skin side down in our baking sheet. And we're going to spoon the glaze over the top. That orange marmalade will really lend itself well to coat this nice piece of salmon. And we're going to bake it in a preheated oven at 450. Depending on the thickness, it could go anywhere from 7 to 10 minutes, or it could go quicker if you have a smaller piece of fish. So just watch it closely. Alright, so we've got our glaze on. We're going to go ahead and pop this into the oven. Alright. We've also got our pan heating up on about medium heat. Our couscous should be nice and cool now. So we're going to add in our cheese and an egg. Season this with a little salt and fresh cracked black pepper. Give this a stir. Okay. Once you've got that mixed up, we're going to make, well, these are kind of loose, so what you want to do is just put a spoonful, kind of flatten them out into the pan. Alright, we're going to let this cook for a few minutes. Alright, let's give these a flip. Got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Don't worry if you lose a few of the little bulb of couscous along the way. It's bound to happen, but as the egg starts to set and the cheese melts, it'll bind these together. Got nice and golden brown on one side. We got one more side to brown, and then these are done. Alright, our salmon's been cooking, and now we're ready to pull it out of the oven. Side there. We pulled it out about halfway through and added the remainder of the glaze. You can see some of the glaze will run off and burn a little bit. Don't worry, that is not a problem at all. The main thing is that you got the flavor of the glaze on the fish, and if it flakes apart easily like this with a fork, then that's how you know that it is done. If you have a little bit of pink underdone parts for you personally, then you can throw it back in. It just depends on how well done you like your salmon, but this looks really good. So we'll plate it up and show you what it looks like in just a few minutes.